Safety is a very serious and important issue in any society. In an urban environment, safety issue becomes more serious and more challenging. And more importantly, a safe city is very good for investment, is very good for recreation, is very good for economic prosperity, and therefore attracts investments within the context of the global setting. However, when the safety of an urban environment is challenged, investment is affected. People will find it difficult to interact. The economy will start to decline. And by implication, poverty will start crippling into the activities of the society. So in a developing country like Nigeria, especially Lagos, where I serve as the Commissioner for Transportation, we have taken the issue of urban safety with all sense of seriousness and commitment. Lagos State is today a very glaring example of a committed government to ensure that issues that relate to safety are taken on seriously. In the last 10 years, Lagos State government have established what you call a rapid response squad. This rapid response squad are detachment of the Nigerian police, which have been fully trained, which have also been equipped, which have also been given all sorts of insurance in case of when they lose their lives and so on. What I'm trying to say in essence is that in Lagos State, the issue of security and safety has been taken with seriousness. Today, the crime rate in this state has reduced drastically, and people could now live and sleep at night. The night activity that hitherto has disappeared is gradually coming back to play. In addition to establishing the rapid response squad, we have also provided, as at today, over 10,000 CCTV cameras planted across various locations within the state so that we can respond to crimes and ensure that the community is safe. Today, we have between 5 to 7 minutes response time to any location where there is crime within the state. We now have a telephone number 767 and 199, which is a toll-free line through which people can call where there are distresses for the state to respond. In other words, the state has taken the issue of safety, the issue of crime control, and the issue of we have taken the issue of safety and defensive to be very, very serious. In the last 2 years, we have invested over 50 billion naira on equipping the police and also sensitizing our people. But more importantly, this have been achieved because through the help of the private sectors that have contributed to what we call a security trust fund. This security trust fund was passed into law in the year 2007, whereby corporate organizations, individuals have contributed funds into this trust fund, which is dedicated purely to ensure that our environment is safe. So Lagos State is championing the issue of safety. There is also an aspect of safety which we have successfully contained, and this is the issue of violent crimes. Today, we have what you call APC, Armored Preventive Carriers, armored personnel carrier vehicles that we have all over the state. As at today, we have about 25, and they are stationed at strategic locations all over the state. Finally, we have a command center whereby every community, every part of the state could be reached through the command center. And finally, we have also improved and invested heavily on community policing. We call them the Kai Brigade. These are brigades that have been people that have been recruited from their communities. This is based on the principle that they know their community, they know the people, they live in the community. So when strangers or unfamiliar faces are found within their community, they are the first to raise alarm, to create warnings and so on. These people operate round the clock for 24 hours. Within our own modest contribution, we have seen urban crime as a very serious issue. We know the implication. And if we want to guard against this implication, this is the time to continue to invest. This is the time to continue to sensitize. This is the time to introduce serious advocacy method in order to ensure that urban crimes are not only eradicated, they are equally reduced to their barest minimum. Thank you very much.